What's up, everybody? Thanks so much for tuning in to this week's episode of The JT Show. So today what I want to talk with you about is a very simple concept. The results you fantasize lie in the work you're avoiding. So let's talk about that for just a moment. What are the things that you know you want to get done, should get done, could get done, but for whatever reason, it's uncomfortable, and you find yourself conveniently distracted by anything and everything possible so that you can avoid getting into action. You could avoid making that phone call. You could avoid opening your mouth. You could avoid getting into action. What is that? What is that part of you that is being held hostage? But I want to really bring something to your awareness, and it's this. Who in there sees when you see? Who hears when you hear? Who feels when you feel? That's you in there. I think most people really have this confused of like you think you have a soul. But you, the one in there, the consciousness, the awareness is the soul. You have a body, you have a mind. And are you using the mind and the body and directing it towards the vision of your future, defining yourself by who you desire to become? Or are you hostage to it? Are you in bondage by it? What part of you is in avoidance, is in resistance to a thing? It's not you, the one in there, witnessing the avoidance, witnessing the resistance. And if you're experiencing resistance, you're not at peace. But where is the acceptance? That part of you, the one in there witnessing all of this, is accepting of a reality. It's the mind and the body that's been conditioned and programmed to be uncomfortable about a thing, to doubt, to worry, to have anxiety, to fear. And so who's really running the show? The one in there witnessing the doubt, the worry, the fear, the avoidance, the not accepting, the resistance, or the mind and the body that are in constant flux. So what is your practice, ladies and gentlemen, every single day to become conscious, to become aware of your mind, to become aware of those stories, to become aware of that self-image that's you're allowing to run the show, to make decisions, to feel a certain emotion, to avoid, to deflect, to be in resistance to everything? Or are you learning, are you practicing to just simply be at peace, to accept things as they are? And so what? Now what? The past is in the past. Here I am in the present moment. I'm moving forward. And I'm working with and in relationship with the reality unfolding, accepting it as it is. Practicing non-resistance. Practicing non-judgment. Not labeling things good, bad, right, wrong. You, the one in there that realizes that everything's impermanent. Ladies and gentlemen, you are going to die someday. And we don't know when that is. So, are you fully living in acceptance of everything? Practicing noticing when resistance comes up and moving forward anyways? Are you the one in there witnessing? Yes, the answer is yes. Because if you say no, who just said no? Right? So, I hope this video brought some value to you today in just simple awareness. Break it down to its most simplistic, fundamental form. You, the one in there, are noticing everything. And so what are you doing to exercise that, to elevate that, and use that consciousness to direct it towards where you want to go, who you desire to become, manifest what you desire to create? So, as I end every JT show with, who you surround yourself with matters. Are you surrounding yourself with people that are increasing their level of consciousness, directing that towards where they want to go? Or are you surrounding yourself with people that are a hostage to the mind and the body, and allowing those two elements, those two tools, like appliances, to direct the show? And if you're not surrounding yourself with people that are elevating themselves, and you're surrounding yourself with people that are in hostage and bondage to that part of their egoic mind, the unobserved part of their mind, you're in a cage. You're not free. So, thanks so much for watching. Make it a great day.